Hello, so this is August 2024 Ontario General Meeting from CFS, Canadian Federation of Students, and I am attending there as the primary spokesperson of my union. So you can see my name there, Director of Communications 2024-2025, and these are all the names of the previous directors or any representatives who came from the union, and we are in the meeting hall. It's amazing time, and these are people from all over Ontario, all the universities and colleges, and now let's go. So I hosted a party tonight at my room. Actually removed all the beds and make the place for the party, but I'm hungry as fuck, and there is nothing to eat. It's just night and Sheraton. So this is nice. I'm loving it, and there is a weird reason why I'm loving it. The view is nice, but it costs money, right? So whenever you are in a hotel, it gives you kind of weird motivation. It's like we love this. मतलब भाई अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे आने, like so chill pill, you know, in a hotel. हमें ज़्यादा आना है, घूमना है, फिरना है, उसके लिए पैसे कमाने हैं. And maybe that's why we can actually save more, save a bit, and then travel, because in travel you gotta spend, and then you can realize, okay, okay, this is nice, that's life, but we gotta have it more.
Close, close. Make it. Don't yell at me. I'm sensitive.
I love you. That's why I yell at you.
This is not good. You are not.
So it's second day, 10:30. I just woke up last night. It was very fun party, and then we went to the pool at 3 a.m. We came at 3 a.m. from a pool. View is nice. I like it, man. And Ray bhai, when I was going down, I met El Alfa. He's fucking Drake of Latin America. I'm in the fitness room. It's 5:30. I'm having a headache, which is bad as fuck. Gym would help me. Let's see the views. Let me take a water bottle first. Oops. Oh. No. Let's go to the other one. I think that area has better views. Oh, it is swimming pool. I was here last night. Fucking fun. I was swimming at 3 p.m. बहुत मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया. Okay, this is gonna be fine. This is gonna be fun. Okay, I think I should not film him, but yeah, let's cycle. Yeah, so now we can see यहाँ से airport, and yeah, मैं थोड़ा सा workout कर रहा हूँ. Let me show you some other angle now. Yep. So it helps यार, थोड़ा treadmill वगैरह करने से क्या सर दर्द ठीक हो जाता है. And now we're back to the session at night. तो यहाँ पे एक show था Mentalist का. So this guy is literally gonna play with our minds.
Oh my god.
Is that you doing architecture?
No, that's me staring out at like some really good skyline.
Oh my god.
Interesting. Well, I'm missing whatever this is. What's happening here?
Oh,
That's you drawing it?
This is my apartment.
That's your apartment? And what's that?
That's my
Chair and table. Oh.
तो नाउ भाई हम खेल रहे हैं वॉलीबॉल, वो भी स्विमिंग पूल में. बट मेरा कैमरा गिर जाएगा थोड़ी देर में यार, फिर मैं रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाऊंगा कुछ. Yep, but it was very fun. It was very fun. Oh my god, we shouted like we're going crazy. We're like mad. Tonight, so day 3. We're going for executive positions of CFS Ontario. We're preparing for the speeches. Chairperson, national representative, say hi.
Hello.
Commissioner, say hi.
Soon to be.
And I am the treasurer. You can't see me. भाई फिर खाया हमने बढ़िया लंच, और उसके बाद ये मैं और सनप्रीत बढ़िया फोटो खिंचाई. फिर हम मिले मैडमैन को, ये भी फेमस आर्टिस्ट है, और फिर मैंने दी स्पीच. हाँ, बट सिर्फ एक वार्निंग, अगर आपको स्पीच लंबी लगे तो प्लीज़ डायरेक्टली गो टू द टाइम स्टैम्प 8.30, क्योंकि स्पीच बहुत लंबी है और शायद बोरिंग भी. Hi everyone, my name is Ayush Dara and I am the president of Student Association George Brown College Local 92. I came here in this great country few years ago, international student, to follow my dreams and with hard work of myself and my parents. And I landed this country, went to college, but I had so many dreams, expectations, but when I started my college, everything was shattered. I did not get what I expected. Then, by God's grace, I met one of my friends. He introduced me to join SA, the student association. Then I realized that this is the stage which can give me power to change and influence and to change the life of the students and to give them which I never got. So I got elected as the president. And since then, since 8 months of my period, I am working day and night for the betterment of students. I'm working hard on student initiatives to make their lives better, to create the impact that I never got. But issue here, I feel, is bigger. I can help my own college, but that's one. We have more than 500,000 students under CFS. The issue is the system, and with system, I'm not happy. We know, let's take the example of international students. I'm gonna go with myself. The Canadian government is capping on the international students, but I believe immigrants make the country strong. For example, one of the alumni from our George Brown College, Weasley Hall, is one of the millionaires in Canada, and he graduated from our college after immigrating from Jamaica in 1985. Another example, Prem Valsa, he is an entrepreneur and an investor who is worth more than 5 billion Canadian dollars. He graduated from University of Western Ontario. So we can see these people are making the country better. So immigrants, we need immigrants to make the country better. So I'm not supporting the system, and this is just a small example. There are many things going on. Palestine, the cause we're supporting, and the system does not like it. And what I feel, money is power, money is tool, and there's always an artist who uses the tool. And better the artist, better the art. I feel with the same amount of money, how we allocate the funds, how we use it, we can create so big impact. A small change, a small rule can create big impact. It can transform to hundreds of students not sleeping hungry the next day. And the thing I'm doing it at SA, they're very similar at CFS. The only thing is the big scale. So we need to do something different, big scale, aggressive. We need to come together and take some aggressive steps to differentiate the things. And I'm ready to do that. Before I go, I want to make a request to the future of Canada sitting in front of me. One of our family members, they need our help. What is happening? They're supporting the Palestine movement, but college is giving them pushbacks. They're not supporting. They're draining them with the lawsuits. Ali sitting in the back. Ali, welcome. He can help you to get information. We can help them to support the Palestine. We can pool some money and we can help them. This is the first time.
Okay, thank you very much.
Oh my god, finally I'm done with my hectic speech and I'm just, kinda enjoying at night. Yep. These all are student leaders dancing around from all over the Canada. Like, it's a very chill vibe. But we actually do a hell lot of work, so yeah. So ये हमें थोड़ा सा टाइम मिलता है हमारी कॉन्फ्रेंसेज में एंजॉय करने का, बट या रेस्ट ऑफ द ईयर वी आर जस्ट वर्किंग लाइक क्रेजी. Like, we get elected to these positions and then we have a lot of trainings and we do all this stuff like meetings, board meetings, agendas, conferences, and all these things. Like, we have a really big load on our shoulders, but anyway, like, we like this because as a man you always like to work. So now we're done with this. Actually, I'm just going home. The session was last, so bye.